Hello and welcome to Full of Food. Every time we go to KFC we have to grab some popcorn chicken, which got me thinking, can I make my own version at home? Well, turns out you can, and it's pretty darn good. Keep watching to find out how you can make these tasty bites for yourself at home in your air fryer. Okay, so ingredients. We're going to make famous popcorn chicken from KFC. We're going to do it in our air fryer at home. So I've got myself some chicken mince here. You could use turkey mince as well. And then we've got some onion granules, paprika, garlic granules. Next up, just some salt and pepper. And then some plain breadcrumbs and some plain flour and an egg. Now, the tip here is to get loads of flavour into this meat and into that coating. So into my meat, I'm going to add some ground black pepper, some sea salt, and then we're going to put some garlic granules in. I'm going to put some onion granules in as well, and for a little bit of a kick, some paprika. The full amounts are in the description. So give that a good mix round. You can get your hands in here if you want, and you basically want to make sure all those spices are spread throughout that meat and you've broken down the sort of stringiness of that minced meat structure. Grab your egg, crack it into a bowl and give it a whisk. So whisk that up. And then we're going to just pour our breadcrumbs into a bowl. You can make your own, but I find these ones from the supermarket so good. And again, we're adding our spices into that breadcrumb. So we're going with the paprika again, the onion granules and the garlic granules. Get those into the breadcrumbs to give this really loads of taste, because really breadcrumbs and minced chicken are pretty bland. Okay, so we're going to put the meat into the flour, into the egg, into the breadcrumbs. So grab yourself a little piece of your meat and roll it into a ball. Remember, we're going to air fry this. So we're going to roll it into a little ball, and then there it is. We're just going to put it into the flour, get that nice and coated, and then into your egg, and then into those breadcrumbs. So little tip that I learned was, keep one hand dry and one hand wet. So only use your right hand for moving from that egg to the breadcrumbs. So there you have it, a lovely ball with your seasoned chicken and your seasoned breadcrumbs. So once you've done that, you're going to pop them into your air fryer, and I go straight into the basket here. Don't need anything in there because you want them to get nice and crisp. So into your flour, into your egg, and into those lovely seasoned breadcrumbs, making sure you coat it all the way around. Okay, so keep going. You'll see I've just missed out the middle of my air fryer. I quite like to do that because I find things stick a little bit in this Ninja Jewel in the middle. So once you're done, pop your air fryer on for 10 to 12 minutes at 190 degrees centigrade. And you might want to check these halfway through, give them a little shake. There, look at that, give that a lovely shake. Pour it into your bowl, and look how golden they are. And then season again, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Give that a toss, make sure you've got all those lovely tastes on top. And there you have it, these perfect popcorn chicken-like bites to eat.